consisting of drill, tap, inserting tool and a number of 1.5D inserts. Remove the mandrel from the tool body. Wind the insert fully onto the mandrel. Ensure tang is engaged with tool driving abutment. Replace mandrel and insert into tool body and wind through pre-winder. Remember the thumb over the end of the pre-winder. Offer the tool up to the hole and wind the mandrel using thumb and forefinger. Feel the tension relax. Lift the tool body and wind the insert 1/4 to 1/2 turn below the surface. Now unwind the mandrel and remove the tool.